Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be doing my update to my PanningPunk project pan, so if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Before we get into that though, if you're new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. This month, I just wasn't super great about using my project pan items. I was just kind of using whatever I wanted, which I think is totally fine. I don't want to always be using my project pan items. I do want to use the other stuff in my collection as well. So this month was not like my best month in terms of panning, but we do have some progress. We do have a rollout, so let's get into it. Before we do that though, before I forget, this project is a Fantastic Ladies collab. It was created by Allie from Wonder in Alleyland. I will link her channel down below, as well as the Fantastic Ladies and all of the rules, spreadsheets, everything you need to know down below. But this is based on punk or punk adjacent music, and it's really fun, really great. Let's get into the updates. So first up, this has been in from the very beginning. It's for the prompt, The Misfits Halloween, a horror/scary movie inspired product or a Halloween inspired product. And so I've got the Ritual Defeat Ghost Light Rare Light Luminizer. This is what it's looking like now. We've got a dip going. It's just a nice opal purpley highlight. As of the last update, I had 10 uses left, and I have used it 7 times. I think if I had waited to film this update, this would be rolling out. I'm debating rolling in a prompt for this one. Maybe we will. We'll see. We'll see how I feel when we get to it. Next, I got the prompt Blink-182, What's My Age Again? An older product in your collection. And since I'm primarily working on a lot of my older products, I went with my oldest freckle product. So this is the ColourPop Freckle Pen in the shade Soft Brown. And as of the last update, I had 10 more uses to go, and I have met that goal. I've used it 10 times. This is not dried out. It still works great. I primarily just added a few like in this area, which is where I naturally get freckles, but because my freckles are so light, they don't really come across on camera. They get covered up by makeup, so it's nice to enhance those a little bit with this product. So I did enjoy using it, but it's gonna go back into the collection for now. Next, I got the prompt Sum 41, Still Waiting, a devastating product or a product that feels like it's taking forever. And I decided to roll in a Juvia's Place eyeshadow because they take forever, and I would like to eventually pan this whole palette, like hit pan and then declutter it because I don't want Juvia's Place in my collection anymore. But I'm not going to do that if I only use the shade one time, which is what I did. So this is looking pretty much the same. I just find I'm not reaching for the shade. I'm going to keep it in. I'm going to keep it in for now. But yeah, I need to focus on this a little bit more. There's a big dip in there, right? Like, I can't be that far from pan. I mean, I know these take a while, but we'll see. Next, I got the prompt Taking Back Sunday, Make Damn Sure a product you are ready to be done with or almost done with, and I rolled in my Pat McGrath lip gloss in the shade Flesh 06. I am trying to finish this, and I have used it 8 times. There's definitely windowing, or like you can kind of see where it's not a window, but it's very translucent. So I'm making my way through this. I really don't like this lip gloss. I know a lot of people do, but I am not impressed with it. I find it a little sticky and just not my favorite. I probably won't remove the stopper, but I'm using it. You know, I'm not mad about the progress I made. This will just take a little while longer. I cannot speak today, jeez. And I got Fall Out Boy, She's My Winona, a product that has your heart and soul forever. So I chose my Phytosurgeon's blush in the shade Smolder, and this is just a beautiful like burnt peach apricot shade. It's super, super beautiful. However, I've only used it twice in the last month. My goal is to use it 22 times, so I have 20 more uses to go. I really love this product. I've just been wearing a lot of cool tone looks over the last month, so I just haven't been wanting to pair like an orangey peach shade with those looks. So if I will use this more, then I'd probably pair these together, so I need to do that. But those are the products I'm currently working on, so I'm gonna roll in, I think I will roll in 2. One for the product I'm rolling out, the Freckle Pen, and then one for the Ritual Defeat. I will update you guys on this next month, but I only have 3 more uses on it, so I figure why not? If I take a look at my prompt list, I have 10 prompts left. Once we get to like 5, I think I'm going to add in the prompts that I have listed in my description box. Those are the ones I made for the project for like myself, for like punk and punk adjacent pop punk kind of bands. So if you're interested in seeing those are down below. But for right now, I'm going to work on the ones for the project. So I have 10 left, so we will do, where's pretty random? We'll do 1 through 10. Make sure to clear history and prevent rerolls. And let me turn down my screen brightness so you can see. We've got prompt 9 and 8. So 8 and 9. Number 8 on my list is The Donnas Who Invited You, a product that everyone trashes but you love. And number 9 is Paramore Misery Business, a product from a brand that is only known for one thing. So I'm gonna take a look at my collection, see what I have, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and that was really difficult because for both of them, I feel like I primarily just have that in eyeshadow brands. But let's get started with what I decided to roll in. I'm probably gonna regret this, but it's fine. So I got number 8 on my list, which is The Donnas Who Invited You, a product you love, that everyone trashes but you love. And so I decided to go with the Lunar Beauty Moonspell Volume 2. I feel like everyone didn't trash it, but they said it wasn't that good, and I disagree. I think it's a very similar quality to their previous releases. Like, I have no issues with this, even with the purples. Like, I think it's a little repetitive, but formula-wise, I'm not mad about it at all. I think it has a lot of interesting tones and textures, and like, I wasn't mad, like, I wasn't surprised there's satins in here because he's done satins before. And I've come to really like satins, actually, for winged liner. But yeah, I'm gonna roll this in because I've been wanting to use it some more lately, and I just haven't gotten around to it. So I'm gonna do No Pan Left Behind with this. I'll probably get maybe 5 to 6 looks and can achieve No Pan Left Behind. So I'm gonna roll this in. Again, I don't think everyone's been trashing it, but they certainly don't love it as much as I do. So I'm gonna roll this guy in. And then the next one I got, what was the song? Paramore Misery Business, a product from a brand that is only known for one thing. And that was really hard. I feel like the closest thing I have in my collection would be my Tammy Tanuka Loose Shadows, or my little palette I have. But I don't want to work on more eyeshadow. And so I feel like I went with this. This is the Menagerie Nostalgia Bath Whip. And I picked this because I feel like Menagerie is known for their makeup, primarily their eyeshadows, and they have this line of bath whips that I picked up. I think I forgot to show this in my haul, but it wasn't on my like beauty budget list because it's not a beauty item and I'm not restricting myself on that stuff. It smells like just kind of like fake berries, to be honest. It smells good. But this was, I mean, I'm glad to not work on another makeup item, so this will be good as well. But my goal will be to finish this, so I'll be working on this. And that is all I have for you today. That leaves me with 8 of the original prompts left, so soon we'll be rolling in or adding some of my prompts that I created to the list as well. And that is all I have for you today. So let me know how you're doing in this project down below if you are doing it. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you like down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!